my dear crafters, just look at these little houses. And they're not just houses, they're a little box for party favors, for gifting, for craft fairs. And that's what you're going to learn today, how to do this, how to make the box. The little house is part of the Candy Christmas collection by Spellbinders, and it's a die set. Here is the die set, very simple to use, quick to put together. And I didn't want to make just like a card or something like that. I wanted to make, you know how I love my boxes, so I created one that fits perfectly for this. And what I love about it is you can fit 3 of these Hershey nuggets. Actually, that's how I calculated the size, because I wanted 3 to fit perfectly, and it does. So that's the nuggets. You can also add this Ghirardelli's chocolate. This one, I think the chocolate squares, yes. Chocolate squares, you can also fit 3 of those perfectly. And of course, you can always fill it up with the kisses, the Hershey Kisses, or any little candy that you have, anything that would fit here, but you can really fill it up with the kisses. Look at that. Whatever you want, that's your option, but I made sure that the size fit the Ghirardelli, the nuggets, and the kisses. So that's what you're going to learn today. And yeah, that's it. So let's move to the tutorial. Again, this is the Candy Christmas collection, and I'll have the link below. They have amazing things. It's not just this. I'll show you 3 in this video, 3 die sets, but they have embellishments, die cuts, rub-ons, washi sheets, paper, you name it. So make sure to use my link below so I can I get a small commission, and then I'll continue doing free videos for you. Okay, so let's move on. And before I show you how to make the very quick box, I just want to show you 2 more products from the same collection, the Candy Christmas collection. The first one is called the Gingerbread Delivery. So a very straight and simple die set, very easy to put together. And here is what you get from it. Beautiful gingerbread with the parachute. So it's a skydiving gingerbread. That's why it's called Delivery. It's falling right on your table, I guess, or in your house and through the chimney. So that's the delivery. And the other option too is the air balloon. You can make either one. So you can make just the balloon itself, or the gingerbread with the skydiving. And you also have this cute little gift that you can put together. So a very nice die set. And the second one that I wanted to show you is called Gingerbread Plain and Banners. So here it is. It's a plain. Let me show you the plain. There you are. This is a card that I made, and it comes with 3 options of banners. Sending love. We have Happy Holidays. And we have, here's another one that I made. Very cute, Sweet Christmas. So very, very cute. I love this collection. So here are the 3 options. Great for cards. I'm going to use this as a lid on a box for gifts. So here are the options of the banners here, and here is the die set. Again, very simple to use, nothing complicated, and both are part of the Candy Christmas collections. So now let's make the box. Very, very simple and very straightforward. So we're going to start. I already put together my little house here. I'm going to zoom in for you, so it's easier for you to see. So we have the little house that's going to go in the front like this. And the back one, all you need to do is to use, here's the die set. Very, very simple too. So you're going to cut 2 of these, which is like the outline of the house. So that's all you need. It's 2 of these for the back. And we're going to, let me see if this is right. It's on this side here. Yeah. So we're going to just glue that. And the reason, you can use just 1 if you want, but only if your paper is very, very sturdy, which is not the case for me. So I'm using 2 sheets so that it's a little sturdier, okay? So the back is ready, and now we're going to make the box. So basically we're going to have this in front, and when you turn, we're going to have this one here. So for the box, you're going to need a piece of paper that is 4 3/4 by 4 inches, okay? Very, very easy to make. Look at this. So we're going to score on the 4 3/4 mark, and that is going to be at 1 1/2. So right here, let me go a little closer. So 1 1/2 and 3 1/4. Then we're going to turn, and on the 4-inch mark, it's going to be also 1 1/2, the first one, and then 2 1/2. So that is that, and I just noticed I don't have my scissors here. Let me go get it. I've been forgetting my scissors all the time now. So we're going to cut here and at an angle. This is going to be the like a little flap, just to make it easier for you to... I forgot to score. You can score later, but I like to always score the paper first. There and there. So we have all the scoring done. So here we're going to continue. Cut straight here. And here we're going to cut at a little bit of an angle. Same thing here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, okay? Now I can zoom out a little bit. It's too close. So there. Here at an angle. So here we go. We have everything done, and all we need to do now, guys, is to glue. We're going to fold this in like this, and we're going to glue the front and the back, and we have our little box. How easy is that? So again, a little closer. So we're going to put some glue here. Always make sure that the corners have enough glue, okay? So we're going to, right here, we make sure that the corner is okay and all glued, and so there you are. We're going to put glue now here on the other side. Do the same thing. Just fold it in like that, and then we use the bone folder just to press it down. See? So we have the front, same thing. You do the absolute same thing on the back. Well, there's no front and back actually. And here we have our cute box. Very, very easy, huh? Quick. You can mass produce this and make beautiful things for your parties, and there you go. So here's what we're gonna do. The best way for me to do this is I'm going to glue it and kind of eyeball it. Make sure that both sides have the same distance. So just center it. And you have two options here, guys. You can either press it down and you're going to have this all the way down. But if you do that, just know that it may show a little bit here. Because the house is curved, it may show a little bit like here. I like to just pull it up a little bit and not let that show, but it's really personal preference. See, here you don't see anything because it's a little bit, you just press it up a little bit, because this is good enough to hold it in place. Even though it's curved, it holds it in place. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you put glue here, especially the corners always, and I'm just going to eyeball it to make sure that it's centered on both sides, okay? Just a little bit down. There you go. And I'll show you when it's glued. So there you go, see? same distance here and here, and just a little bit over the mark here, because what's going to hold is the house. And then here you choose what's going to show. I want this to show on the back because it's really cute paper. And this paper was one that I bought at good old Joann's. So sorry. Uh-oh, that's my mistake. You do not need glue here, only here. You actually put glue on the box, not the house. My mistake, guys, but that's fine. You can totally save it. So same thing, I'm going to kind of eyeball it. And now you hold both and press it down a little bit, just to know that it's in the right place. And again, I push it a little bit to the left just to make sure that the distance is the same, because then it's going to be perfect. Again, press it down to make sure that the bottom is the same. And we are done. Easy or what? How great is that? So here we are. We're going, for this one, we're going to put my nuggets, Hershey nuggets. It fits, I actually calculated it to fit 3 perfectly. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. So we have this one. We have this other one with the Ghirardelli. That's how you say it, I guess. You have the Ghirardelli, but again, you can also use our little Hershey Kisses. Whatever you want, that's up to you. Here are our little houses with the boxes. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know when you leave a comment. It's really good for, you know, the algorithm to see that people are interacting. So if you could do that, I would appreciate it. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.